the next day and I just finished my interview. It went well. Let's wait for the results. I was told that if I'm successful, they'll get back to me next week. So we'll just relax. I know everything went well. If they decide not to call me, it's their loss, not mine. But I'm usually not afraid when I'm speaking during an interview because I have Canadian experience, and whatever they ask me is based on what I've done in my previous jobs. So I'm usually not too bothered when I'm attending interviews. I'm not always tensed. So I'm done with the interview. Let's wait for the results, of which I know it will be successful. Today is Friday. My sister is hosting us tomorrow. We'll be going to her place very early till evening. Then next week Saturday I have an exam to write. Santa Fe.
Place is about to turn into absolute chaos the minute the crowd catches on. Now, since nobody here is wearing a costume, the creatures are demonically obligated to massacre them all, but Sin decided to fight back. So while the monsters are busy with the others, Sam, Josh, and even the old man George.
So hello. I'm making a fada stew, and the smell of the palm oil is affecting me. So it's a new week and I want to meal prep, mainly for myself because I don't want to eat lots of junks. So I have made ogbono soup. I'm making ofada stew. Then later in the day I'll make pepper soup, croaker fish pepper soup. So pop that into the freezer. Then I'll clear up this place. So by the way, I don't know if I should be happy or not. The job I interviewed for last week, they got in touch with me yesterday that I was successful. So at the stage of providing employment reference, but I don't know if I really want to take the job because it's an on-site job, and there are lots of reasons why I'm considering not taking the employment. Number one, I'll have to be away from the house, and the hours of work is, well, I can't really say at the moment because they just gave me the time frame I'll be working. So I really don't know if I'll be able to do that. If it's too early, I won't be able to take it because of my kids. They can't stay at home alone. My eldest is 10, and I think your child can stay at home alone from 12 years, of which they have to take a quiz to qualify for that. So another reason why I'm considering not taking the job is we are almost in winter, and it's I don't know, all the 2 winters I've spent in Canada here is very brutal. I can't imagine walking outside during the winter to get a bus or to get a taxi. So I really don't know. So, but my husband said I should provide the reference. Then, my sister is calling. It's so cold. So I just thought to pick up my camera now. And I signed my offer letter yesterday. I've gotten an acknowledgement. I got an acknowledgement just now. And I'm kind of developing a cold feet. I really don't want to do an on-site job because the weather is very brutal here. And going out every day in the cold is not something I'm looking forward to. So we brought out soft toys for my kids, for my son to take to school. They are having pajamas day in school and they're supposed to come with a soft toy. But we went with another one, a bigger one. So I'm kind of developing a cold fit, towards this job that I just got. And one way or the other, I've decided to take the job because I need the cash. I need the money. The pay is sort of okay, and I don't think the job will be that stressful. So that's why I decided to take the job. Although I'm still having a little bit of problem with how we are going to be moving in the morning. But we've got it sorted out pending the time I start the full job, because I'm still going to undergo training. So I think the week of the training, my husband will be available to do school runs in the morning and also in the afternoon. So after that 1 week of training, then I will start the job proper. I think my schedule will change to the regular hours, so I think I should be okay. The weather is so cold. What's the temperature? Alexa, what's the temperature outside?
Right now, it's 1 degree Celsius.
1 degree Celsius. Let me put on the heater. One more. Hello. So hello. Today is Sunday and we'll also be heading out to church. And happy new month, guys. Happy new month. So before the end of this month, I'll be starting a new job. And I'll be saying goodbye to my workstation, which is this beautiful table and chair. Ooh, I also miss this. I also miss working from home. I remember when I was sent an email that I was successful, and I didn't see the email, so I got a call, and the HR lady was congratulating me. I didn't sound too excited, and she asked me, she was like, I hope there's no problem, that you're not sounding excited to get it through. I was like, no. I had to quickly lie that no, I'm kind of busy at the moment, and I just picked the call out of reflex and all that. So it's not as if I'm not happy. I'm very, very happy and grateful. A lot of people find it very hard and difficult to get a job, and here is me from one job to another. So I'm super, super happy and grateful to God that I got this job, and it came at the right time. I really, really need money because I've been dipping my hand into my savings. We've got bills to pay, and I can't leave everything 100% to my husband, even though he pays for the majority of the bills. So So guys, how do I look? This is what I'm wearing to church. I wore this outfit recently. So my white shirt, my red sweater, and we're officially in the best season of the year, the most wonderful time of the year, which is Christmas season. So I'm wearing my blue jeans and my white and with a little touch of blue and red sneakers. So guys, I'll catch you in the next clip. So I just got getting back from shopping from Dollarama. I love this content. But I also bought this sesame seed. I love it. Can you come and put this there? Rice noodles, Singapore noodles, Welch for the kids, oranges. See what this one is. Then we bought bread, but I put the bread in the freezer downstairs. This one is from the old one. So, regular salad and raisins for I want to do granola bars. So that's why. But did you wash your hand when you got back from church? David, you didn't wash your hand though.
I want watermelon.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So it's still the same day. I just finished taking off my clothes. It's almost 4 p.m. and my son has a French class. I registered him for a French class and the class is for 4 p.m. So I just brought out my laptop so I could set it up. Oh, sorry. Your class is almost time. No. Bring water for me. My kids are back from school. That was what I'm done do. I was trying to finish up the time before they come back from school. That's why I couldn't vlog the process of molding the pie. So guys, I'll show you when I'm done cleaning all this place. How was school? What was David doing downstairs? Huh? So my kids are back from school and I'll be going to my office tomorrow to do some paperwork and get my picture taken for my ID card, my door pass, I think. So that's the clothes I want to wear over there. A red shirt and a black sweater. Although the sweater is smelling like food. I guess the last time I wore it, I didn't wash it. So I'm just going to toss it into the washing machine this night. That's why I kept it over there. So this is my look. I'm going to my office for the first time and I am all dressed because I'll be taking a picture for my ID card. You know, if it's office compliant, but because it's black, so I feel it's okay. So
Yeah. Oh, okay.
I'm back. So I'm back from the venue. I have completed my onboarding process. The next thing to do is to wait for the resumption date. As I was late this morning, so the Uber car I took was supposed to get there at exactly 8:30. The appointment was for 8:30 and there was traffic. So I got there like 7 minutes late. So now I know that the next time I'm going to be going, because for the first week I'm going to be riding Uber, and that means I'll need to leave early, you know. So I met a Nigerian guy there, and thankfully he's in the same department with me, because they were a lot. We were about 8 present for the onboarding session today, and out of those 8, it was only that Nigerian boy. He's the only one that we're working in the same department with me. Others are in other departments. So we got to exchange numbers and we had a little chat. So thankfully I'll see a familiar face on my first day at work. So hello guys, I just finished editing my video and I found out that I didn't end the vlog. So this is me saying I'll see you next time. Don't forget to follow, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share this video. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.